So Hibbent, they sent this to us so that we could show it to you, and it's this little 3-in-1 kitchen sink strainer stopper, clog-free water stopper, prevents odors kind of a thing. But actually, it's pretty cool because what it does is it's actually in multiple pieces here. This part here goes down into the sink. You've got it actually came with blue plastic around the stainless so that it wouldn't get all scratched up during shipment. So that was really cool. I took that off already. And then you put this down into the sink, and this little gaskety thing kind of holds that part in there. And then this is the basket part that you can dump all the little food crudlets and stuff like that. But what's really cool is like when when you're not using it, you can just put that little hinge thing down. But really, to use it, you just push straight down to make it seal, and then you push it down again to make it unseal. I'll show you here in the sink. It doesn't do it because I don't have any suction in my hand, but this just goes right there in the sinkhole. And did I tell you about the time we fell in a sinkhole? No, that's another story for another day. Anyway, there's the little baskety thing there. Goes right in there. And then to close it, did you hear that pop? And then it just like it's sealed now. And then you push it again to release it, and then the water can go out.
That is handy. I love that feature.
It's really kind of cool. See, oops, we don't have the water pump on. So, but I was gonna. Can you turn the water pump on?
Yep.
Okay. And I'll just show you here. Like we'll let the water. I'll show you that it's filling up here, and there. See, there's water in there, and then when I go like this, ta-da! Look
magic.
at how quick and easy that is.
It is.
It's really simple. And then, say you got little food particles in there, you just go dump that part in the trash. And then this part can just stay here. It doesn't have to come out or anything. It just went in there. But you don't have to do any kind of work. You don't have to like install anything other than just set it down into the drain hole and stuff. If it's the right size drain hole, of course. But you just set it in there. You saw how easy I just pushed it in there, and that little gaskety thing just holds it in there. Of course, I just pulled it out right now on purpose, but it would just sit in there like forever and ever and ever if you want it to. And then this part, in and out, ding, ding, love it. It's awesome. I really, really like that.
I really like it.
Such a really neat design, because we've had those other ones that are just like all like you have to twist it to get in there, and then twist it to untwist it to release the water, and then sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't, and sometimes the little post comes unscrewed from the basket, and it's just kind of a pain in the hind end. So this here is going to be really way, way, way more better. Love it. Thanks for sending that so we could show it to you. Appreciate that.